In this video, I'll show you how to count to 10 and how to use the Chinese hand motions so that you can get the things you need. It'll be fast, but you can replay it as many times as you want. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, that's awkward. 7, 8, 9, 10. Boop. Or 10. Or 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Getting a little harder. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Like this. Or like this. Or like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10。也能这样，10还可以这样，10都行。1、2、3、4、5、6、7、8、9、10。I like this one, 10, but you can do this one, 10, or take the 5 and flip it back and forth. 10. Good study. Day up. Man, counting is hard in Chinese.